Have you ever wondered if you're leaving money on the table by choosing how you redeem your credit card points? Specifically, if you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer, is it really better to redeem your cashback rewards against your bill, or should you just take the cash? It's a question that hits anyone with a loyalty-branded credit card, and with Rogers, Fido, and Shaw being so interconnected, their cashback programs offer a unique twist. Most people love the simplicity of cashback. $1 earned is $1 back, which you can use anywhere. It's flexible, it's liquid, and it doesn't tie you down to a single brand or purchase. If you're not an existing customer of these providers, cashback is your only real option, and a great one at that. However, if you are a customer with an eligible service, the redemption landscape changes dramatically. The key to this decision lies in what's often called a redemption bonus. With the Rogers Red MasterCard, for instance, you don't just get a simple one-to-one exchange when you apply your rewards to your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases. Instead, your cashback rewards can be redeemed for 1.5 times their face value. Think about that for a second. If you have $100 in cash back, and you redeem it for a general statement credit or actual cash, you get $100. But if you apply that same $100 to pay down your monthly bill, purchase a new phone, or buy accessories from Rogers, Fido, or Shaw, suddenly that $100 is worth $150. That's a 50% bump in value. This makes the equation pretty simple. If you are already paying for an eligible service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw, and that includes your mobile plan, internet, or TV, then redeeming your rewards against those expenses is almost always the superior choice. You are essentially getting a better return on your rewards just for being a loyal customer who already has a bill to pay. The only time cash might be better is if you value ultimate flexibility more than the extra 50% value, or if you simply don't have enough Rogers, Fido, or Shaw expenses to use up your rewards. But for the average Canadian household with a few services bundled, the redemption bonus makes it a clear win for the carrier credit. So, before you hit that cash out button, check your math. You could be turning $100 into $150 with a single click. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.